Good morning, students. How are you? Are you fine? Yeah, you are very fine because you are just staying home and enjoying your studies. I think that you are enjoying studies. So if you are enjoying study, then your result is better in one exam. In exam, your result is better, which is taken at 1 March in SSC boards. So study well, always study, and whatever be the syllabus completed, that you are revise again and again till you are understand very well, because it is better for you. The board of SSC is not cancelled. The media is totally mad. They are publishing anything. They don't know what is the process. So don't be depend on media that your exam is cancelled. No, your exam of the board is never cancelled. That can be taken. Okay, so you must be stay home and stay with your study. Not only remains in home, but stay with study. Okay, so today we are going to learn practice set 4.1. In the practice set 4.1, yesterday we are learned practice set 4.1's 1 to 4 problem, and today we are going to learn practice set 4.1 5, 6, 7 problems. Okay, so let me start the practice set 4.1 problem number 5. We'll just start. So see here the problem number 4. What is the given? The total value with GST of remote control toy car is a 1770. So the total value means what? Total value means taxable value plus GST. That are you understand what I say? Total value. I am saying about total value. So what is the meaning of total value? Total value meaning is that taxable value plus GST. Taxable value plus GST. This is called total value of remote control car is 1770. The rate of GST 18% on toy. Find of taxable value, CGST and HGST for this toy car. Okay, CGST, HGST for this toy car. So you want to find out CGST taxable value, CGST and HGST. So the taxable value of the toy car is 100. We are considered. Why? Because 18% GST they are given. So the taxable value of the toy car is considered 100. 18 rupees is the GST. So 100 plus 18. So 100 plus 18, 118 is the total value. 100 rupees is the taxable value. 18 rupees is the GST. So 100 plus 18, 118 rupees is the taxable, is the total value. Taxable value 100. 18 rupees GST. So 100 plus 18, 118. Anyone doubt here? 18% GST. So taxable value 100, GST 18, 100 plus 18, 118. The total value is given 1770. So in this total value, they are having the taxable value and they are having the GST. So including these two things, total value is 1770. Okay. So total value divided by taxable value, that ratio constant. So here is where I write that the total value is 1770. Taxable value we don't know. So taxable value of the toy car you are considered as X. Taxable value of toy car is you are considered as X. So 1770 is the taxable value, and without tax value means 1770 is the total value. That having including the taxable value and the GST. So that is 1770. Taxable value is X. We don't know, so we are considered as X. Here is with GST value 118. Taxable value is 100. Doing cross multiplication. So 1770 into 100 divided by 118 1 जा 118, 118 15 जा 1770. So 15 into 100 you get 1500. This is the taxable value of the remote car. Then you want to find out the GST. So GST is 18% on 1500. So 18 upon 100 into 1500. So these two zero cancel. Okay, these two zero cancel. 18 into 15. 18 5 za 90, 0 9, 18 1 za 18, 18 plus 9 27. So 270 rupees is the GST. Then what you want to find out? CGST you want to find out, and also find out HGST. So CGST and HGST is the half of the GST. Okay, the CGST and the HGST is the half of the GST. So 270 divided by 2, so you are getting the answer 135. So this is CGST is equal to HGST 135. So you are finding the value of the taxable value 1500, CGST 135 and HGST 135. Then we are going to learn problem number 6. Tip-Top Electronics supplies an AC of 1.5 ton to a company. The cost of AC supplied 51,200. But that 51,200 is the value of AC with GST. Okay, so that is the value of the AC, but that is with GST. The rate of CGST on AC is 14%. The rate of CGST on AC is 14%. Then find the following amount as shown in tax invoice of Tip-Top Electronics. So that much amount you want to find out. So we can find out one by one. So the rate of CGST 14%. So the rate of CGST 14%. So all my brilliant students very well know that CGST and HGST are same. So if CGST is 14%, then HGST is also 14%. Why? Because CGST and HGST, they are same. So whatever be the CGST, that is equal to HGST. So CGST is 14%. So HGST is also 14%. So first problem I get that answer. HGST is 14%. Another problem you want to find out the GST. So how can you find out the GST? GST is equal to CGST plus HGST. GST is equal to what I say? GST is equal to, I am saying that CGST plus HGST. So here we write the GST is equal to CGST plus HGST. CGST 14%, HGST 14%. So 14% plus 14%, how many? 28%. So GST is the 28%. So I write here 28%. Then taxable value of AC I want to find out. So cost of AC we are consider 100. Okay, cost of AC we are consider 100, but GST is 28. So 100 plus 28, 120. I write here GST 28%. So with GST, AC value is 128. The cost of AC with GST 128. It is the taxable value 100. It is the GST 28. 100 plus 28 you will get 128. Anyone doubts? The cost of AC with GST 51,200. The cost of AC with GST is 51,200. So you know that formula, total value divided by taxable value, ratio is constant. So AC total value 120, then taxable value 100. So we are right here with GST value 128, without GST value 100. With GST value 51,200 AC, that AC value 51,200, Without GST, I don't know. GST means in that value there is no GST. That is a taxable value. So the taxable value you don't know. So that we are right here X. You are doing the cross. Are you understand? With GST 51,200. With and taxable value you don't know. So I write here X. With GST 128. Without GST 100. So we are doing cross multiplication. 51,200 into 100, 51,200 into 100 divided by 128. So 51,200 into 100 divided by 128. 128 ones are 128. 128 divided to 51,000. So you get 4. 128 fours are 512. So 4 and these 400. 400 into 100 you get 40,000. So 40,000 is the taxable value of the AC. Then I want to find out GST. So how can I find out GST? The value is GST minus taxable, you get GST. So cost with GST, here is amount of GST is equal to cost with GST minus taxable value. Cost with GST 51,200. Taxable value 40,000. So 51,200 minus 40,000 you get 11,200. Okay, this is the GST value. The amount of CGST is equal to CGST and HGST. CGST and HGST is half of the GST. So 11,200 divided by 2, you get the CGST. 2 5s are 10, so 5. 2 6s are 12, so 6. 200. So 5,600 rupees is the HGST and the CGST. Anyone doubts? So rate of HGST 14%, rate of GST 28%, taxable value 41,000, GST 11,200 and CGST and HGST 5,600. Anyone doubts? I hope that you understand this problem. Then we are going to learn problem number 7. Okay. So Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The discount of 5% was given on printed price of 40,000. The rate of GST charge was 28%. Find the purchase price of washing machine. Also find CGST and HGST. So printed price of the washing machine 40,000. Okay, printed price of the washing machine is 40,000. Discount is 5%. So 100 rupees 5% discount means 95 rupees. So 5%, so 5 upon 100 into printed price 40,000. This to 0 cancel. 400 into 5. 400 into 5 2000. So discount 2000 rupees. Okay. So actual SP selling price. SP means selling price. Selling price of the washing machine is equal to printed price minus discount. Printed price 40,000. Discount 2000. 40,000 minus 2000 38,000. Okay, this is the actual taxable value 38,000. GST 28%. So 28 upon 100 into 38,000. This 20 cancel. So here is 380 into 28. 28 into 380, you are getting 10,640. It is the GST. So CGST and HGST is equal to 10,640, means total of them is 10,640. So if you want to find out CGST and HGST, you can do half of that. So half into GST. GST 10,640. 2 5s are 10, 5. 2 3s are 6, 3. 2 2s are 4, 2 0 0. 5,320. The actual cost of washing machine to Prasad is 5,320. So it is the CGST and it. So actual cost of the washing machine to Prasad. What is the selling price? 38,000. What is the GST? 10,640. So this is added here. Then you are getting the value 38,000 plus 10,640. You get 48,640. I hope that you are understand. We are finding the GST. Then CGST and HGST, half of the GST, so half into GST, so 2 5 are 10, 5, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 0 0. So 5,320. So 38,000 plus 10,640. So addition of this you get 48,640. So I hope that all of my brilliant students you understand all these problems. So you will solve this problem and send me on my WhatsApp number. Stay home, stay safe, and please like this video. If you are subscribed, then like this video and share this video with your friends and say to them subscribe. Goodbye.